Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing that design, so keep on watching and don't forget to hit the like button, comment what you think about the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe guys. So I'm prepping my client's nail with a flame bit and then I'll be going in with a tapered diamond bit to prep the nail or the cuticle area. So I'm doing that right now. Then I'll be etching the natural nail to remove the shine from the nail. I did the tip application and blending off camera, so you won't see that in the video. Yeah, so we did that off camera, and like cutting off the excess cuticle area, so that was done also off camera. Sorry guys, but it's the same method I do as in other video. You see me blending the tips while also cutting the cuticle area. Same method, nothing different. So I apply my dehydrator now to my client's nail. If there's an excess oil, the dehydrator shall dry it out. Now my primer, and I apply 2 coats of primer guys. So every nail will be done in nude, but the ring finger or the ring finger will not be done till last, because I also videoed that nail on a different phone. So I videoed it separately as I finished the other nails. I did that one last, the ring finger. So you can see me skip and come back to it. So now we're going into our nail art section within French, white tip French, and also silver chrome French. So bear with me, guys. I think it's the first I'm doing the chrome one. I was just testing out if it works based on the method I saw someone did. I decided to give it a try to see if it works the same way for me as well. But I guess I should have used a different color chrome. It almost looked natural to the color of the acrylic. Yes, if there was a silver, it didn't stand out as a silver the way I wanted it to. I will try it again, but maybe use a different chrome color to see if it pops more. So I did the filing off camera too, as you guys can see, because it goes straight into nail art. So the filing is the same method of filing. Drill, then use a hand file and take down or refine the shape. So same method. So comment or leave a heart shape, a red heart shape to say that you have watched the video, all the video, or at least at the nail art section of the video. So I will know guys who has been watching the complete video now. So please, I'm asking you to leave a heart video, or sorry, a heart emoji to say you have watched the video to the end, or at least to the nail art section. Using top coat, guys, no wipe, glossy top coat to do the chrome French on. So once you put a top coat on and you use chrome over it, it tends to take it. So I'm doing the same thing. It comes to the tip of the chrome design French. So that's how we're doing it. So put on the top coat into the shape of the French, and then we cure for 60 seconds, and then we do our chrome, blending in the chrome to the clear section of the nail, and then you top coat back that French design where the chrome is, and cure it again. Then you wipe off the excess chrome afterwards. So you can see the chrome design in the French design, that is. So I'm top coating, as I said before, back the same French design. It was really a little bit difficult to see the silver chrome, so I will try a different chrome color next time so I can actually see it better. So yes, so you top coat back the section of the nail that you already create your French design on, and cure. second top coat where I did not see that my brush went there. So my client understood. She was okay with me. But what happened with one of the nails, not both of the nails, the other one came out the way I wanted it to, just that the color was not bright enough the way I wanted it to. So that's what happened. So now I'm cleaning off the excess chrome before I give it the official top coat. So there it is. There's something different. So now we're applying our top coat. And once you say top coat, guys, you know we're at the end of the video. So like, comment, and subscribe what you think about this design, guys. It's simple yet elegant. It can be even for a wedding design. She loves her nails, guys, and I love them too. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and welcome to my new subscribers, and thanks for watching my continuous subscribers. I really appreciate the support, guys. So this is the final look of this design. Simple yet elegant. She loved it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.